websites to make money that is not Upwork or Fiverr. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Kemi of Side Hustle. If you're seeing our video for the very first time, all we do here is to share financial tips that will help us upscale our financial lives. And if this looks like something you want to do, please do well to join the family. Click the subscribe button, like this video and share. So with that being said guys, in this video today I'll be sharing with you 5 websites that you can get free jobs from. Those websites are not Upwork, they are not Fiverr website. They are actually freelancing website that you can use to get freelancing jobs. Now these jobs varies. Maybe you're a web designer, you are a programmer, you're a video editor, you're a virtual assistant, you are a customer care executive, you're a chat support. Anybody, anything you are or anyone you are, you can actually use this particular website that I am about to plug you on to actually get free jobs without paying a dime. So let's head straight. Now the last website is my go-to because it is the very best. If this looks like a website you want to see, please do well to stick to the end of this video because the last website is a banger. So the first website we'll be looking at is called Guru.com. Now a lot of you know Guru.com, but you don't actually know what they do. Guru.com is like a marketplace. It is even a bit bigger than Upwork because it has over 2 million freelancers, and it is even more like the interface. The interface is really much more, I don't know how to put it, but much more balanced, especially for employers or for clients. Now Guru.com allows you to actually meet with freelancers and allows freelancers to actually meet with their employer because it is a platform that balances that equation. Now if you have a skill and you are looking to start making money with your freelancing journey, the first thing I will ask you to do is to head straight to Guru.com, create your profile on Guru.com and put up every details and everything that you have to put up on Guru.com. But before you do that, make sure that your portfolio is ready, your CV is ready, and you can actually create proposals or you can actually edit some things at any point in time. So that is about Guru.com. Guru.com is your go-to if you don't want to sign up on Fiverr or you feel Fiverr and Upwork is overcrowded. Do well to sign up on Guru.com. Now the next one is called People Per Hour. People Per Hour is also a freelancing website that actually provides a platform for businesses and freelancers to come together and see which one also works, which one is the best fit. Now on People Per Hour, you can actually sign up on People Per Hour and it's easy for you to get freelancing job on People Per Hour because you can easily access their website and their interface is quite simple to it functions better and it functions well. And also their rate is really good because it is a UK based company with one of the highest rates that you can actually think of. Also on People Per Hour, you can actually set, maybe you want to be paid on hourly occasion or as a fixed price, maybe at the end of your full project you get paid. Now this website I'm actually sharing with you, if this looks like something you want to try, please let me know in the comment section which one is better, which one would you love to try, which one resonates well with you. And if you have not subscribed up to this point, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. Now the next one is a bit different from Upwork and is a bit close to Upwork but different from Fiverr. Now this particular one is also a good bet, is a good one for me because I've been on that platform. The platform is called freelancer.com. Now if you're an OG on this platform, you will know that we have talked about freelancer.com and we actually like their website. Now here is what they do on freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is a platform that employers or clients actually post the jobs and then the freelancers will bid for the job. Now it is not the client that will bid for you. You will be the one to bid for the job, like Upwork. You understand? You'll be the one to bid for the job. Now for you to bid for such job, you have to have a good profile. In fact, your profile has to be standard. Now for you to have a standard profile on freelancer.com, you need to check other freelancers profile on freelancer.com. Check expert profiles on freelancer.com, how they set their bio, how they do this for you to actually have a good bio on freelancer.com, because it is a competitive platform, but their pay rate is good. And also, unlike some other platforms, freelancer.com actually have a security check in place to scrutinize, scammers and all those kind of fishy individuals. So that is the more reason why I like freelancer.com. And in fact, you can easily bid for jobs on freelancer.com because it is very, very easy. So the next but not the least that we have is Behance. Now Behance is a little bit different because Behance is not all about in-demand skills or low barrier entry skills. Behance is like a creative marketplace. It is owned by Adobe. So if you know Adobe, you will know that yes, it's either about illustration or artistic or creative artistic work, or what you can use your brain to create. Yes, that is what this particular freelance platform is. If you're a graphic designer, this is your go-to platform. You can sign up on it, put out your work on Behance, and also they have a work section. On this particular freelance website, Behance, you will not find tons of work or tons of jobs or anything, but you will find limited jobs. Those jobs will be available for you to do, but it is not as lengthy as freelancer or people per hour kind of job. You understand? Since it is basically for creatives only. Now, the last but not the least is also one of my favorites because it is super awesome. It is a website I like. It is not that popular, but it is good. The name of this website is called TopTal. Now, if you know TopTal, you know TopTal is not for every Jick and Jack. TopTal is like the reserved Upwork, the reserved, So it is more or less like the professionals platform. It's actually for software engineers, product managers, project managers, and it actually employs, maybe if you have 50 people that will, work on TopTal, usually you get maybe like 10% or 15% that are actually the best. That is how they work. You understand? And that is why I like them, because not any of our employers actually go, or not any of our clients actually go on their platform to post jobs or look for freelancers. And the freelancers they have on their platform, if you know that you are a programmer, a software developer, you are a project manager, you are a product manager, TopTal is your go-to. It is not a time waster, not at all. You get value for whatever you're putting up on TopTal. That is why I love the platform so much. Okay, so with that being said, guys, if you want me to review more websites that you can actually sign up that are actually different from Fiverr and Upwork, please state it in the comment section. Just say review more or give us more, and I'll look for more websites that will give you more value other than the ones that are overcrowded. So with that being said, if you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share. See you guys in another video. Thank you.